Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Databricks Jobs, schedule and run data pipelines step by step clearly. To log into Databricks Jobs, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Databricks login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Type in your password. Click the login button to access your Databricks workspace. Once logged in, find the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on the Jobs section in the sidebar. In the Jobs interface, click on the Create Job button to schedule a new job. Fill in the required fields, such as the job name and description. Select the notebook or workflow you want to run as part of the job. Choose the cluster that will execute the job. Set the schedule by selecting the frequency of the job runs. You can choose options like one time, every hour, or daily. Configure any additional parameters needed for your job. After all settings are in place, click the Create Job button to save your job configuration. To run the job immediately, find it in your job list. Click on the ellipsis next to the job name. Select Run Now from the drop-down menu. The job will begin execution as per your configurations. You can monitor the job's progress in the Runs tab of the job interface. Once the job completes, review the logs and output for any necessary analysis. This process allows you to effectively schedule and run your data pipelines in Databricks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.